Hi, I'm Samantha Kristoferson, co-founder of KW Professional Organizers, and I'm going to show you quickly how to build an index in your bullet journal. So open up your book to the first page that's available, and you can go ahead and label that index. You're going to want to make sure that you have your page numbers in your journal. If they haven't been printed onto the paper already, you can go ahead and add in every page number until you reach to the very back for the last page number. Setting up the index, you're going to want to give it a title. You'll notice I'm using a dotted bullet journal with paper, so that allows me to kind of make it easier to create different types of headings and font sizes. So again, it doesn't have to be fancy. It can be just plain handwritten. Your index is what's going to indicate the page number and what's on it. I like to call it a table of contents personally, but you can call it whatever you'd like, but just know that this is where you're going to find, okay, if I'm looking for May, I know that it's in between the pages 61 and 73. So let's jump to May on page 61. So 61 opens, and here I've discovered my May, and that's the point of an index.